Today, you are going to learn how to make these ASMR videos without using Google Veo 3. I found an easy alternative that lets you make these videos from any country in the world. Google Veo 3 is only available in certain regions and isn't accessible worldwide. So I found this easy method that you will learn in this video to make these ASMR videos. First, I will show you how to write the perfect prompts, then how to change the object colors, and how to turn this into stunning ASMR videos. You will learn how to generate video in both YouTube and TikTok format. First, go to ChatGPT and click on GPTs. In the GPT search, type Make ASMR Images and Prompts and select that model. No, you don't have to write prompts yourself. AI will do it for you. All you are going to do is type the object name along with the color, for example, a yellow banana. And GPT will give you a detailed prompt and also ask you if you want it to generate a picture. Simply type yes, and then the GPT will ask which aspect ratio you want. Let's choose YouTube for now, and you will get an image like this. You can also ask to change the object or the color of the object, for example, a green apple. You'll receive a prompt and again type yes, then choose the aspect ratio. Let's choose TikTok, and you will receive an image. But if you want better images, you will have to copy that prompt and go to Leonardo AI and choose Lucid Realism in the model or preset section. Then simply paste the prompt, and in a few seconds, you will get high-quality images. Simply download them to your device. Let's drop another prompt. All right, now let's turn these images into stunning, realistic ASMR videos. Go to Kling AI, upload your image, and paste this prompt. You will have to do some modification like changing the object name or color according to your image, and hit generate, and your video is ready. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to me for more helpful videos.